Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hot or Cold. We just came from an insane concert at Jessup University where Miles Minnick just shut it down. We're keeping that energy rolling with a one-of-a-kind game. It's Miles versus our students in bowling. 1 bowl each, 6 rounds, simple, fast, high stakes. Every time a student bowls, the roll unlocks a question for Miles. Knock down 6 or more pins, he gets a hot question. The deep stuff, the really stuff you really want to know. Less than 6 pins, and it's a cold question. Fun, lighter, but still worth asking. But this isn't just for fun. There are also prizes on the line. If the student's total score beats Miles' total after 6 rounds, both students walk away with concert tickets and exclusive merch. But if Miles wins, they get nothing. So who's coming out on top? This is Hot or Cold. Let's find out.
It's your boy Miles Minnick, man. Welcome to the Sacramento Bowling Alley, man. Who knows? May hit a strike.
That was good, that was good.
We got Christian on the way up. He is going, gone, and it is off to the left.
Oh, please, crazy. No, that's not good.
Christian hit 1 pin, so he gets the cold question.
Oh, that's deep. If you could talk to 17-year-old Miles, what would you say?
Oh, I would tell him God is real. I would tell him God has an active plan for his life, and the sooner he surrenders, the better. Let's get it, let's get it.
Oh my gosh.
Casey's up.
Oh no.
I'm about to ask y'all some questions.
So Casey just rolled. She got a gutter. It's all good, but we get a cold question with Miles.
What is your go-to late night spot / meal?
My go-to late night spot or meal is birria tacos. It's usually like after a show when I feel accomplished. I'm like, yeah, I deserve a birria taco. And then I'll indulge on 3 of them things.
No way! Okay.
Oh no. This is crazy. This is actually insane. Oh, what's your favorite thing about the Bay Area culture?
Oh, my favorite thing about the Bay Area culture is the diversity. When you go to the Bay, you see every type of person, every type of ethnicity. It's literally one of the most diverse places in the world, like statistically, you know? And so there's no telling what you might get in the Bay, because it's a gumbo pot full of everything.
Yeah, that's dope. I like it.
Yeah. Dang.
Okay, it's a little better. It's a little better. All right, what's one genre you delete today? Country, classical, pop, or rock?
Classical.
Classical?
Classical, because pop music, really indie pop is like my favorite genre for real. I rock with rock for sure, and country has grown on me. As a kid, I did not rock with country music.
Sure.
It would have to be classical.
Okay.
I mean, it serves its purpose, but they gotta go.
What?
I don't know how they want me to compete with that.
Miles just rolls another 9. This man is consistent, he's ready, he's going after it, but we still want these students to win. We're gonna figure out, we're gonna get them ready. Casey's up, well, let's see what she gets.
Oh, it's good.
Whoa,
That's
whoa,
good.
whoa.
Oh, she's coming for your score.
You've collaborated with non-Christian artists. Why and how did you navigate that?
A lot of these artists, they are Christian. They just don't make Christian music. Navigating that, number one, through prayer, using discernment on which artists to collaborate with. It's an evangelistic goal. And really it comes from the heart of Jesus to leave the 99 for the one. And my new album, I actually have like a lot of Bay Area legends who don't make Christian music, but I'm excited for the world to hear how we're able to coexist and still give praise to God.
All right, we got the last round coming up. We're gonna finish out right.
That's right.
Miles, what you thinking?
Hey man, you know, it's a worthy challenge, you know what I mean? Like, I trained my whole life for this moment, you know, I feel like, you know, through prayer and preparation, you know, I got what it takes to really like get the job done. So, we'll see what happens, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's go, baby, let's go.
Oh! No. No. Please.
Nice.
Oh! Oh, it was
That was
so
so
close. Okay. What are some people that helped keep you accountable? Because that was inspiring, but like what motivated you there?
Yeah. So for me, accountability is everything, right? We have systems in place and guardrails to make sure I don't go off the rails, right? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Because it's very important that we protect God's investment on the inside of us, you know? Because how many people have we seen that God lifts up, but then they slip up?
Yeah.
And so I don't want that story. And so the people around me help me stay in line while the Holy Spirit also guides me in that direction.
Yeah. I got a lot of respect for that. That's super cool.
Oh yeah, bro.
All right. Game has just ended. Miles won.
But hold on, bro. But you know what? Even though it's a fact that I won, like what if we give free tickets to the concert to everybody here though? Like regardless.
So let's go. Miles giving tickets to everybody who showed up here at this party. He just shut down Jessup University. Thanks for playing Hot or Cold. That's it. It's a wrap.